Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to change the battery for the newer model BMW Key FOB. If you look closely, there is the button right there. You push that, you take out the valet key or the emergency key, as they call it. And if you look close right there, there's a little groove. I'm going to put it right there and then turn it clockwise, because the battery compartment is actually light around here. This is the panel that covers it. Once you have that, it's going to be a little, this model is a little tough to snap it open, so you can either use a flathead screwdriver, or I have a letter opener, so I'm just going to kind of push it in there and turn it. And there you go. That's the battery. It takes 2032. That's a CR2032. I'm going to leave that in the description so you guys know what it is. And once you're done, you finish, snap it together and put it back, and you are done. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more video. Thank you. Bye bye.